Yo, what's up guys? We're here in the man-made forest. Standing in the road. That's where everyone here stands in the road. Like this, huh? Yeah. Oh, just like that, see?
So can I take you guys pictures?
Oh,
and then they're gonna run and they're
gonna run when the car comes. Run when the car comes. So here's the man-made forest. If you guys don't know, basically the man-made forest was planted by man. Got a little booth here. You can buy some shirts and stuff. Here they are taking their picture. So yeah, after here we're going to see the monkeys. The big monkeys. The massive monkeys.
They must have so many road accidents here.
So yeah, let's just teleport over there. See you guys. Bye. What's up guys? We're in Magsaysay, Bilar. We're back here at the monkey sanctuary, but we just saw a flying lemur. It's a black one sitting in the tree, but they said all the monkeys are fed today, so they're all full. They probably won't come down, but we're gonna have a nice little walk through here because the sound of nature is just awesome. So relaxing and peaceful sounding, so shh, quiet. They said the monkeys are full. You might want to let Laurel hold the camera so you can feed them. Whoop.
send them on the grass. Not a good idea.
It is. They're super friendly.
Bugs jumping everywhere are friendly?
Oh.
Wait, they're everywhere.
Is this cool grass though? Or whatever you want. This isn't grass. What do you call this? Amazing. Boy.
Oh, he's nice. I'm gonna switch to silent mode.
Just try. Just like that.
Okay.
Oh,
Look at those pictures. Phenomenal pictures.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Can you hold some? So
Okay,
I'll just take a couple from you. I just want to.
I'll feed the baby.
Oh, he ain't.
Look at it. Little babe, look at the baby. Give you one. Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's nice.
Hey, here, have another one. You want more? Can we feed the baby?
Here, feed him again, Laura.
I want to feed the baby.
Just watch out for that king. Wherever he comes, you'll know when he's here.
Here, baby, I'm feeding him.
Okay, hold on. Hey, there you go, babe. Here you go.
Holding on to mommy. Like, you're not going anywhere till you give me something.
Moya, come here. Come here.
Oh, look at him. He's on a leaf.
He's playing.
There you go. Yeah. That's good, huh, honey? Oh, they dropped one. You got it. Okay. That's good. Here. You want some more? There you go. There you go.
This little baby's playing with the leaf. Still.
Come here. Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Easy.
There you go. Okay. They're not gonna let me get near the baby, are they?
The troop.
They just want the peanuts. I don't want to hold the peanuts anymore. I want the baby.
Looks like lots of them are good, you know. They're like, oh, I already ate, so these ones still want a snack.
Here, honey. Here, baby. Oh.
supposedly the monkeys were full, but we got really lucky, and yeah.
Why is it touching me? Hey,
Hi. Whoa! Oh, John's jealous. John's getting jealous.
It's gripping me hard. Here. Oh my gosh. Here, take the peanut. Take the peanut. There you go. You're scaring me.
Look.
It's alright. Be calm.
Oh my god. Okay. There's the rest of the peanuts. You got everything all gone. This is a girl, yeah? This is a female?
Yes, female. Philippine long-tailed macaque.
Hey, honey.
Oh, this is the female coming.
Female.
It's like grandma.
Yeah, I can see the...
She's got a little beard going on. Grandma's got a beard.
There we go. That's good, huh?
I love like just the sound of the jungle.
There you are.
He's chilling there on. He's got his chair.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Put a peanut right up here.
There you go. Yeah. There you go, baby. Yeah.
The troop is moving away, and we had an awesome time here. Super relaxing, just chilling. Monkeys running around. Oh, going after mommy there. Hi, Ting.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
You recognize him? He's a really friendly one.
Yes. She said that before.
Oh,
so
all right then.
Oh.
Tell me how you really feel about it. He just grabbed a huge
He said, "You know what? I don't gotta wait. I don't
He
gotta
said,
wait."
Enough of this one at a time crap, lady. Okay? There. Is that good?
She's like, "Okay, I'm standing up now."
There you go. Yeah, he just went in. He just, that was funny.
Well, I'm really happy we got to see the monkeys today. It was awesome. I don't know if we're gonna hit up the fall. It's kind of cooling off, so we'll figure out what we're gonna do. So stay tuned, guys. We will return. Wait. So where are we, guys?
Me don't know.
Me don't know. Hello. We're still in Carmen. Salamat, Day. Hello. They got a blackboard out here. Cool. Yeah.
You have to play.
Brad. Agaw. Kumusta ka? Nagdula mo? Unsa barangay diri?
Barangay?
Unsa barangay? What pangalan? Ah? Palian? Palian. Salamat, Brad. Palian. So, Mom, you want to explain where we are? Can you explain, Ba?
After the earthquake.
Guys, after the earthquake, lots of people lost their houses, and the government pretty much made all these houses, and then lots of people are still here. And this happened back in 2013, the 2013 earthquake. I think it was September or something. Mahapon. Mahapon. So now it's just like they're upgrading them now. Mahapon. Kumusta ka?
So all the people that lives here lost all their houses.
So yeah, they lost their houses here, and everyone lives here and have their own barangay here. It looks pretty cool. They got corn growing.
They got farmland back here.
That was a running joke for quite. Do you remember when we were in the car? We
Hello. Wow, you guys are gamers. What are you playing? Unsa nagdula. What are you playing, bro? What do you got? Tongits? Oh, nice. Card game? Card?
Yes.
Super upper. Unsa imong pangalan dong? Janmar. Oh, sige. Cool. Nice place. Oh my gosh, look at this view. We got houses here too. Get the corn.
Me don't know.
We don't know.
What
That's
kind
what
of
I'm
tree is
gonna
that?
say.
Me don't
We
know.
don't know.
Me don't know.
Christmas tree. That's what I call all the trees at home. Because I don't know what the different kinds of trees are called. So
Well,
they'll
you're
ask me and I
you're
say,
feeling
"What's a
better."
Christmas tree?" And the plants, they all just look like corn to me. Corn.
Huh?
He's so drunk.
Hello.
Just for walk.
Hello.
For walk.
Kumusta ka, Lo?
Wait, tawag me. Tama.
Sige,
Sige ta.
Pretty view.
Oh, the cow's trapped in there. Down
Honey,
the.
did you lock the car?
Yes, of course.
Edit.
I love you too.
He's so drunk. He can barely walk a little bit.
He can't walk at all, dude. He's gonna sleep right there.
Was he walking?
He was walking.
Oh, was he walking? Then he fell down.
That's really cool. So how does that work? They just give them that home?
They-
They sign a title over? Or
I
is
have
it
no
just-
idea, but look, oh, there's a whole row of them.
Yeah, they have a community well right there too.
Community deep
Oh,
well.
right here too as well.
Yeah, they got two of them.
There was a lady cleaning herself and she was like, how, why you look so
This is amazing.
So were programs like this all through the Philippines in regards to like after the
Like
earthquake?
Tacloban Bay? Did they do this in
Or did they
Tacloban?
just have a good local government?
It took a little while.
Dang, the moon's out,
I
bro.
don't want to see it
Yeah,
in front
oh,
of them. I don't want to. I don't want you videoing it because I don't.
Huh?
You don't want
I don't want to like explaining it in front of the camera because you know political.
Yeah, let's not get political. We're not going to. But anyway, it's really nice that they do have some housing if they lost their house.
So how
So
does it
it's really
work?
special and it's
So
really
once
cool
they
here.
build Anywhere almost?
It's
They let
nice.
to, as long as it's on somebody's deeded land.
Not really because like most of the
Like I
land.
still can't remember all of my aunts and uncles I met here.
The moon's out, dude. Super cool. Oh. Hoy day! Hoy day, asa mo?
You know what they were doing?
What?
They were doing selfish.
Selfie?
Selfie.
Selfies? They were doing selfies? Dude, it's light out here. It's like nice time of the day. It's beautiful.
I'm chewing on grass.
Awesome.
You choose on anything.
Well, guys, I think that's going to end our vlog for today. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment, share if you'd like, and hit the...
Subscribe.
Hello.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. And let's see here. The notification bell is there. Press the notification bell right by the subscribe button. And as we always say, as akong guapa asawa always says, kita kita kits, tas
Sunod.
sunod Na video. Okay, there she is. There she is. How you want to try that again? Nakita kits. Na video. You say.
No.
Come on, wait, hold on.
no, Brian.
All right, we'll get Laurel too.
Laurel will.
Kita kits.
Kita kits.
Tas. As.
Sasunod
Sasunod na video.
Sasunod
na video.
na video.
So, one more time. Kita kits.
Kita kits.
Sasunod
Sasunod
na video.
na video.
Yay.
I think that's the best Brian said.
Amazing.
You guys wanna play?
Movie night.
Wanna play with them?
No, it's good. I will slip in my sandals. If I brought my Yeezys, then I would.
You came
Bro.
from basketball and football?
You can go for
Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. Into the May.
Yeah, okay na.
Foul. Oh, what's this?
Oh, they're having movie night out here.
Is this movie night? Is it movie?
Maybe.
Dong, movie, dong. Dong, movie. Movie night? You guys watching movie? Yeah? Huh? Jesus film? Oh, that's nice. What's your name? Oh, Jesus film? Very good.
Watch movies on that projector.
Yeah, for sure.
That hard drive full of movies.
For sure. Yeah, it's definitely making me want to. Oh. Okay, guys, enjoy your movie here. That's really cool they have that for everyone here. That's awesome. Nindot kayo. Okay. Salamat. Bye.
Something put on by the church, I imagine.
maybe from the church, for sure. Yeah, guys. No, now it ends. So we gotta go. It's been great. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment what you guys thought of today's vlog. We will be back soon.
Surprised they don't have maybe a little...
Peace out.